In this video, we'll see how to set up a plu-ts project to write Cardano smart contract using TypeScript, and all we need is here in the plu-ts starter repository. Here you can find some documentation to learn how to use plu-ts and some basic instruction on how to build and run the project. So really, all we need to set up a project is either to clone this repository by copying the link you can find here, or we can use the method.run, which will set up the environment needed for us, and we can do so by clicking here, which will bring us to the method.run, which then allows us to build a workspace. And we see that the method.run starts preparing all we need with the repository we were a moment ago, and this process really takes a few seconds. In fact, we can see that in less than a minute, the method.run has installed all we need, and we are ready to run our project in VS Code in the browser. The first thing we want to do once we have our instance of VS Code is to go in File, Preferences, and change the color theme to something that is not light, because we all know that light attracts bugs and we do not want bugs in our smart contract. And then we'll open a terminal, and the plu-ts starter repository comes with the dependencies needed. So we just need to run npm install. This will give an error for Harmonic Labs plu-ts, which is our main dependency. But this is not a problem because we can then just run npm install with the package we are missing, in this case Harmonic Labs plu-ts, and we can just paste it here, allow it, and then by running npm install Harmonic Labs plu-ts, we have all we need. And by following the commands that were present in the README, we just need to run npm run build, and this will use the TypeScript compiler to compile our code, which in this case, this is our contract, which is an always succeed contract, very simple. And now we'll have our code in the this directory. So we need just to run node this index.js, which is the compiled result of this TypeScript file. And basically all it's doing is importing the contract, which we have here, make it a validator, compiling it, and showing us the JSON format, which is the format needed as an example by Cardano CLI to build a transaction. So now by running node this index.js, we will have our compiled contract. So in this video, we saw how easy it is to set up a plu-ts project. Now all you need to do is just having a look at the documentation that is included in the repository.